Let me tell you a secret. We are all living one huge lie. We think the person who flexes the most, the expensive car, the luxury life, is automatically the happiest. But here's the cold, hard truth. Without inner peace, all the money in the world won't buy you a single night of real sleep. Have you ever wondered why we work so hard, why we're constantly hustling, but we still feel exhausted and anxious by the end of the month? Why is there always that fear, what's going to happen tomorrow? It's because we only know how to stack cash in our pockets. We haven't learned how to plug it into a system. And that lack of knowledge, that's our biggest weakness. Today, I'm going to share some simple, honest truths with you, the same principles the world's most successful people secretly live by. These aren't just money hacks. These secrets will fill your mind, not just your pockets. Let's start this simple journey to completely change your life. The 7 simple secrets to wealth. Today we're going to dive into 7 principles we've learned from giants like Warren Buffett. These aren't just about making your money grow. They're about finding peace of mind. Some folks call these the 7 secret rules of wealth. Secret number 1, let your money work. Don't flex your spending. When we first start making money, there's this deep urge inside us. I need to show everyone I made it. A new expensive phone, a branded watch, posting pictures of fancy dinners on social media, that feels like success. But the real wealthy people, they work in silence. Their money talks, but they don't make a sound. Let's say your friend buys a shiny new car. They call you and say, "Check this out, look how successful I am." You give them a clap, but at the same time, a comparison starts in your head. I need a car like that too. This flexing competition just drains your bank account. Warren Buffett once said something that really stuck with me. He said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you do need." Think deeply about that. Most things we buy with our income are liabilities. If you spend a large portion of your income just to look rich in other people's eyes, you are actually making yourself poorer inside. So make one simple promise today. For the next 6 months, you won't talk to anyone about your income or your savings. Just save, just invest. You will notice an incredible peace settling inside you. Your inner peace becomes your true wealth. Let people see the results of your hard work, not the noise of your spending. Secret number 2, hide your money in a system, not your pocket. Many people think hiding money means putting it under the mattress or just letting it sit in a savings account. Trust me, leaving money idle like that means letting it lose value slowly. There's a thing called inflation, and it silently eats away at your money's power. So where do we hide the money? The answer is in a system. The wealthy aren't usually cash rich, they are asset rich. This means their money is plugged into things that work for them 24/7. That's the real system. Real estate, a profitable business, or investments in the stock market. These are the assets where your money is working. When your money makes more money for you, it becomes your true servant. This is the concept where they say don't chase cash, build these 7 assets and the cash will flow. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Divide your income into 3 simple buckets. Spending, just your necessary expenses. This is your fuel. Savings, a fixed amount every month for emergencies. This is your safety shield. Investing, this is the part that you plug into the system. This money works to build your future. This way, your money is hidden in an active system and you'll slowly move toward financial freedom. Secret number 3, respect your dollars. We all know money comes from hard work, but keeping it requires more than just effort. It takes discipline, mental toughness, and respect for money itself. Another famous Buffett mantra is, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. We get this totally backwards. When the paycheck hits at the beginning of the month, we prioritize shopping, eating out, and then we think about saving whatever is left. Let's be real, there's never anything left. And we promise ourselves, I'll definitely save next month. That next month never comes. Money will only stay with you when you value it, when you respect it. Buffett famously treated every dollar like a soldier fighting for him to create more wealth. You can't leave a soldier sitting idle. You have to put them to work. To respect your dollars, ask yourself before every purchase, do I really need this? And at the start of every month, take at least 20% of your income and move it to a separate savings or investment account. This is non-negotiable. Live off the rest. When you respect money like this, in 6 months, you'll feel your mindset change and your pockets will thank you.
Secret number 4. Security first, luxury later. This is where most of us make the biggest mistake. We confuse luxury with security. An expensive watch, a high-end phone, or a fancy car gives us momentary pleasure, but over the long run, they weaken our financial foundation. People buy expensive things thinking it will earn them respect or status in society. But the truly rich person is the one who sleeps peacefully at night. They know if something unexpected happens tomorrow, they have a shield, that emergency fund. Luxury items are for showing off. They boost your ego, but not your confidence. Security, on the other hand, is for protecting yourself. It truly boosts your confidence. When you know you have 6 months of living expenses covered, your decisions become stronger and braver. A smart person always protects themselves first. So set aside a portion of your income as your secret security blanket. Don't tell anyone about it and don't show it off. When you feel secure, your mind is calm and you can make the tough decisions in life. Luxury comes later once your foundation is rock solid. Secret number 5. Simple life, strong mind. Warren Buffett himself proves that wealth doesn't require a life of excess. He still lives in the same house he bought back in 1958. No private jets, no 5-star bling. Yet he is one of the world's richest men. Why? Because he invested his money in logic and systems, not in flashy living. He believes simple life, strong mind. The simpler your life, the stronger and more focused your thinking becomes. When you live simply, your money doesn't get wasted on unnecessary things. As a result, your savings quietly grow through compounding. It's a silent magic. If your monthly expenses are low, you have more money available for investment. You might have heard that he asks himself before every expense, do I really need this right now? This simple question can change all of our lives. Because the person who can control their spending is the person who can control their future. Before you buy anything, ask yourself, is this a genuine need or am I just buying it to show off? Secret number 6. Stop showing off, start leveling up. Everyone these days is busy trying to prove they're rich. Social media is just a game of looking rich. Everyone wants people to look at them, notice them, and say, wow, this person is so successful. But you get rich by acquiring knowledge, not by showing off. The wealthy know one thing very well. No one can take away what's in your brain. Your skills, your experience, your education. These are the most invaluable investments you can make. This wealth isn't in a bank account. It's hidden inside you. This is your secret wealth. Buffett says the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whatever you learn will help you in every situation in life. So stop trying to prove how hard you're working. Instead, let your work, your results, your peace and your knowledge speak for you. Update yourself daily. Learn new skills. Every dollar spent on increasing knowledge and skills will return to you 100-fold. Stop showing off and start leveling up today. Secret number 7. Show humanity, not just possessions. According to Warren Buffett, true success isn't defined by how much money you have, but by how well you have managed to avoid bad habits. The person who only wants to show off their possessions slowly loses their true self. They become arrogant. But the person who remains humble and modest keeps their money and their peace. Your good behavior, your humility, that is your real wealth. And remember, silence is your most valuable asset. Do you know what the biggest luxury is today? It's mental peace. People who talk less about their money can often live much better lives than others. Hiding your money doesn't mean you are afraid. It means you are protecting yourself from those people who value you only because of your money and not for who you are as a person. Buffett says money is a byproduct of the right habits. So you earn money not just by showing off, but by changing your habits. Build the right habits and the money will follow you automatically. I hope this simple conversation brought you some peace and showed you a path to reorganizing your financial life. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't a one-day event. It's a harvest of good habits. If this resonated with you, if it helped you even 1%, I have one request. Hit that like button. It truly helps this Salam inspiring family grow. Thank you. May your life be filled with peace.